Somewhere on Earth right now, a playground was built for children. No child will ever use it. To keep a population alive, every woman needs to have 2.1 children, on average.
South Korea, 0.72, China, 1.0, Italy, 1.1. The world average, 2.2.
At 0.72, 100 South Koreans become 5. In just 4 generations. That is not a decline, that is erasure. This isn't a future problem. In China, Japan, and South Korea, deaths already outnumber births. Every country that gets richer has fewer children. Always. Everywhere. This pattern has never once failed. In South Korea, raising 1 child to university costs the equivalent of 3 full houses. Most young people simply do the math.
In most rich countries, women who have children earn less, advance slower, and retire poorer. The system punishes parenthood.
You cannot start a family without a home. In most major cities, young people cannot afford one. But it's not only economics. Something deeper changed. In many countries, young people simply stopped wanting children. The loneliness epidemic and the birth rate collapse are the same crisis. Isolated people don't start families. Isolated societies stop reproducing. Every government that has tried to reverse low birth rates has failed. Every single one. Including the richest countries on Earth. Pension systems were built when 5 workers paid for 1 retiree. Soon, in many countries, it will be 1 worker for 1 retiree. Japan already has 10 million abandoned houses. Entire cities are being reclaimed by forests. This is not metaphor. As the population ages, who will be the nurses, the doctors, the caregivers, the workers that the old need to survive? A smaller population means a smaller economy, fewer buyers, fewer builders, fewer inventors, less of everything that civilization requires. South Korea is technically at war, and it may soon be unable to field enough soldiers to defend itself. The generation that created K-pop, K-drama, and Korean food numbered 17 million. By 2060, 5 million will replace them. Demographics hit you like a freight train. You hear it in the distance, then it's on you. By 2100, 97% of all countries on Earth will be below replacement fertility. 97. The world population is still close to 8 billion. The crisis isn't total collapse, it's a transition, and transitions are brutal. Some say immigration solves it, but here is the math. Fertility is falling everywhere. The world is running out of young people.
Sub-Saharan Africa is the exception. Nigeria, Chad, Niger, their populations boom. They will reshape the world's future, completely.
The center of human civilization is moving, slowly, toward where the young people are. That is Africa.
South Korea spent $30 billion to boost births. The rate kept falling. Japan has tried for 50 years, still falling.
The real reason birth rates fall isn't economics, it is meaning. Modern societies stopped making people feel that having children matters. Humanity has survived plagues, ice ages, and wars that killed half of everyone alive. We are still here. The research shows one thing works, not cash payments, but making parenthood genuinely possible. Affordable homes, real childcare, equal careers.
The Nordic countries, Sweden, Norway, Finland, have the highest birth rates in Europe. They also have the most family support. Above everything else, societies that treat raising children as a respected, honored, supported role have more children. Always. Even the worst projections show recovery after the bottleneck passes. The question is how painful the crossing will be.
The decisions made in the next 20 years by governments, societies, and individuals will determine what humanity looks like in a century. Every child is a vote for the future, a bet that the world will be worth living in. That bet still matters. That playground from the beginning of this video, it doesn't have to stay empty. That's the choice. Humanity has never not had children. Until now. The question is real. What we do next is what matters. If you want to keep unfolding the human experience, subscribe for more explorations.